Let's do some more practice. So in this table, I'm looking for the start value. That's the value of f of x when x is 0. The value of f of x when x is 0. For this table, the start value is 12. You can maybe just look at this and see what you're multiplying by to get the next values in the table. But if you can't, take one value of f of x, for example, 36, and divide it by the previous value, 12. So 36 divided by 12 is 3. That tells me my growth factor is 3. And then I should go ahead and check that 108 divided by 36 is 3, as well as 324 divided by 108 is 3. And I will promise you that that is the case. Now I have my start value a of 12 and my growth factor b of 3. I can write my function rule. Not going to forget to write f of x or y equals. And then I write my start value 12 times 3 to the x power. Alternatively, f of x equals 12 dot indicating multiplication times 3 to the x. In my next example, I'm looking for the start value, the value of f of x when x is 0. My start value is 10. Now in this one, I really hope you can just look at it and see what you're multiplying by. 10 times 20 is, or 10 times 2 is 20. 20 times 2 is 40. 40 times 2 is 80. But if you can't, take one value of f of x, like 20, and divide it by the previous value of f of x, 10. So my growth factor is 10. I'm now able to write my function rule. F of x equals my start value of 10 times my growth factor 2 to the x. So I can use parentheses around the base, or I can write 10 dot, meaning times 2 to the x power.